Hi friends, in this video we are going to see that how to print array values. So in this program I have created a simple class name called arrays and the integer value. The count is 11 and also on top of that I have given the 0, 1, 2 up to 10. There are 11 index values are there from 0 to 10. The count is 11 here. Okay, see now it's matching. On top of 6 you can see 0 and up to 4 you can see that 10 is the last number and the count is totally 11. If you count that you will get that count length totally 11 numbers. So in this for loop just I have initialized integer value I equal to 0 and within this 3 line you can fetch the array value. Just initialize I equal to 0 in this for loop and here I am giving the condition, that is I is less than array length. So already we know that the total length is 11. Through this array dot 1 dot length we will get the count. I plus plus increment, so 0 to 10 because 10 is lesser than 11. So up to 10 it will iterate, then it will stop. So here in this system.print I'm just giving that for loop and the index value plus I plus. So within that I have fetched this I value and also the value of array, and also I have given the index value. This is the array name array 1 and the index value. So I value is the index value. Up to 10 we will get it. So let's try to run this. And also I have given another for each loop. Let me comment this one and see that how it works. Now I'm going to compile this program Java C. The class name is arrays.java. Just enter. Yes, till now it's working fine. Now I'm going to run this class file. So just I'm removing this C. So Java arrays.java class file. So we got the output. Here you can see that I'm using this for loop. I'm fetching all the 11 values. Last line the array length is 11. So I got everything properly. You can see cross check that 6 till 4. Totally 11 numbers. So we got all the 11 values here. Now let's see how this for each loop works. For that we have to just uncomment this one. I'm just removing this backslash. Here I'm just declaring that integer because we are going to deal with the number. I'm giving the name as C colon the array name. Array name is already you have given array 1. We are going to use that one. I'm just printing that. Just you have to use C. We are using for each loop. So to see that I'm just giving this one and I have given this C plus C. This will fetch all the value from for each loop. Let's run this one and see that how it works. Yes, we got both the things, for loop till all that 11 numbers displayed, and for each loop. Here also we got all that 11 numbers up to 11 numbers. In this way you will get for loop and for each loop. The length also we got, we have printed this one 11. So along with that we got both that for loop values and for each loop values from arrays. So in this way you can fetch the value from arrays using for loop and for each loop. I hope that you got better understanding. Let me recall once again here. Just I have created a class here, and within that I have created one main function, and here I am declaring array values, and using for loop just I am fetching. Okay, let me remove this and see that how the code is good. I think that after removing these comments it looks good. Just within 2 lines we can fetch all the information from integer. So this is array declaration. I am removing this comment also. Yeah, now it looks good. Just using for within this 2 lines I am fetching all the array value here, and just for array length I have added one more line here. Okay, let me separate this one. Here in this for each loop also just 2 lines. So within that 2 lines we can fetch the array values here. I hope that you understood. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.